Hello YouTube. I just wanted to make a product review of the Milwaukee M12 cordless screwdriver. This product, I honestly have to say I like it a lot. And this product honestly isn't that bad for what it's worth. It's not going to replace a drill. It's not going to replace an impact. It has a quarter hex bit that you could take quarter shanks on the top here. It has 16 different position plus the drill mode. And the indentions here on the clutch, you can actually go in between. So that says 14. That would technically be 15 plus drill mode. Classic M12, classic Milwaukee M12. Right there would be your fuel gauge. And it comes with a light in the front. I got a charger here from Milwaukee M12. Now the thing is that I have to complain about, if I really had to get down to the nitty gritty, Milwaukee, why do you make such big, bulky M12 chargers? DeWalt, Makita, they don't have those big, bulky chargers. This thing is huge in comparison. For just taking, I know you can get bigger batteries, but just taking these small little batteries right here, why do you need such of a big charger? But that's just my rant. It's been a while since I've made a video. I figured that I would post this. For around the house, I think this is a perfect little tool. Doing a little bit of electrical. It would not ever replace a drill. It would not ever replace an impact driver. But please give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.